We'll guide you through how to run ChatGPT locally on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official OpenAI GitHub repository. You'll want to clone the repository to your local machine by using the command line. If you haven't already, install Git, then use the command git clone followed by the repository's URL to download the necessary files. Once that's done, you'll need to set up a Python environment, as ChatGPT relies heavily on Python. Make sure you have Python 3.8 or later installed on your system. You can check this by typing Python version in your terminal. Next, install virtualenv by running pip install virtualenv. This helps to create isolated environments. Create a virtual environment by typing virtualenv ven. Then activate it using source venv/bin/activate on macOS or Linux, or venv/scripts/activate on Windows. With your environment ready, navigate to the directory where you cloned the repository. You'll find a requirements.txt file. This lists all the dependencies needed to run ChatGPT. Install these by running pip install -r requirements.txt. Now, you're almost ready to run ChatGPT. You'll need to have access to the model weights, which are often too large to be included directly in the repository. OpenAI provides these via their API or sometimes through downloadable files. Ensure you have these files and place them in the appropriate directory as indicated in the repository's instructions. Finally, run the application by executing the main script, which is usually something like python app.py or python main.py, depending on how the repository is structured. Your local instance of ChatGPT should now be up and running. You can interact with it through a terminal interface, or, in some setups, a web-based interface that you can access through your local browser at a specified port. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.